Our journey begins with a single large onion. Start by trimming off half an inch from the pointy stem end of the onion, then peel. With the onion cut side down, make a downward cut half an inch from the root, repeating this action to make 4 evenly spaced cuts around the onion. Continue this process until you have 16 evenly spaced cuts. Turn the onion over and let it rest for 5 minutes, allowing the petals to relax into place. Next, we move on to the batter. In a small bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, oregano, thyme, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together a cup of milk and 1 egg. Now it's time to batter up that onion. Place it in a clean bowl, cut side up, and pour all of the flour mixture on top. Cover the bowl with a plate, then give it a good shake to distribute the flour mixture evenly. Lift the onion by the core, turn it over, and pat off any excess flour. From there, it takes a dip into the milk mixture, making sure all petals are wet, followed by another dredging in the flour mixture. With the onion prepped, it's time to fry. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Using a slotted spoon, carefully lower the onion into the oil, cut side down. It'll fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn it over for another 3 to 4 minutes until it's a mouth-watering golden brown. Once fried to perfection, remove the onion from the oil and let it drain on paper towels. Serve it hot with your favorite dipping sauce, such as spicy ketchup or ranch dressing. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.